Wondering why I've been gone for quite a while. Well, the reason why I've been gone for a little bit is because I've been sick. I've been running fevers and this and that, so I've just been sick. I'm back now. You know, I'm not fully better, but I am better, so I'm back and I'm here making videos for you guys. But today we're working on the foose. Yes. So we're working on this thing. Basically, we're going to be working on the engine and the interior today. We're going to get those fully done, and we should be set for this video. But let's just get straight into it. We're going to work on the interior first, starting now. done, and we have the engine and the interior finished like we said we're going to do in this video. Here's the engine. I have the spark plugs on it. I have the carburetor and the fuel filter on it. It's all painted. This is ready basically to be put into the chassis when it's finished. Interior is fully done. I did a little custom design on it, as you can see. Yeah, not gonna see it much. When the interior, when the glass, everything is fully put together, you're not gonna see a whole lot in there, but here it is. That's everything I did. I don't know if you could see it, but yeah. Well guys, this is the end of this video. I'm gonna try to put as much videos as I can out with all the time I'm off. I'm not sure how much work I can do, but I'll see you next time.